want candy. Oh! A coin! A coin! We want more! We want more! We want more! We want more! Ah! We have no money! No money, no candy. I wish we had a vending machine like this. Oh, I have an idea. Shh. Ah! Huh? Ah! Uh-oh. A doll?
Sasha, come here.
Dima, come here.
Aha!
Huh? Where is my vending machine? Oh, what traces?
Aha!
Hooray! Hooray! We stole! Hooray! Yeah! Ah! Ah! Hide! Ah! Oh! My vending machine! Achoo! Bless you! Oh! Sorry, Sasha. We just really wanted candy. Do you want to play? Yes, we want to play. Come with me. Yes, yes. But first, you need to clean. Huh? To clean? But we wanted to play. Only after cleaning. Okay.
Cool!
Look, all clean. Well done. And now can we take a candy? Please.
What is going on here?
We want to take candies at Sasha's store.
But this is not Sasha's store. This is my store.
Really? But Sasha said that is her store. Oops. Excuse me.
Oh, you should never cheat. No, no, no. You are grounded. And you can take a candy.
Hooray! Yippee!